There's a garbage can. That's good, my dear. I'm glad to hear it. Yeah, I'm gonna be a bitch and I'm gonna park like that.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
My dear boy, so good to see you. So good. Hold me.
Yeah, look, man. Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right?
Which is why I am very honored to announce to you that you are Employee of the Month. Huh? Anyway, congratulations. It wasn't easy picking a winner.
Yeah, me, Lamar, your nephew Sacha with the Twitch. Look, man, it's been a real honor, homie. But I gotta move forward in my life. It seems like all I do is let people tell me what to do and I do it and nothing changes.
I tell you what, my boy. You tell me exactly what you want, and I will very carefully explain to you why it cannot be.
What?
Today is repossessing vehicles that fools have purchased at exorbitant interest rates. But tomorrow, together, I never had a black son. But if I did, I want him to be just like you.
Knock, knock, niggas.
Hello,
What's up,
Lamar.
What's up, homie? What's up, then, homie?
What's up, dog?
Franklin here has been awarded Employee of the Month.
You fucking with me, right?
Man, we both being fucked with, dog.
Man, knock it off, man. For real, after all the motherfucking work I put in, man.
Man, fuck this Employee of the Month shit, homie. I'm sitting up here trying
What
to
you
get
mean, fuck this Employee of the Month shit, man? When there's some shit to be won, goddammit, I want it. I don't give a fuck what it is. You know what I'm talking about? I take no prisoners. I go hard doing this shit. Big dog, big nuts. When names is on the motherfucking board, I want to see my name at the top of that motherfucking next to it. It needs to say, winner.
Maybe next month, huh?
Man, fuck next month, Simeon. What about today? I demand a retrial.
Today is nothing, just a bike. Hasn't made a payment at all. Some kid at Vespucci Beach. His name is Esteban Jimenez.
Is he in the gang?
Curiously enough, I did not inquire when he bought the bike.
We got work to do, Employee of the Month.
Man, fuck you and come on.
Man, you's about a yes-mouse ass nigga. What we waiting for? Magellan Ave, nigga. Vespucci Beach. And you still rolling with that old raggedy ass hair? That country bumpkin shit is enough to get us shot right there.
I never took you to be old hairstylist type bitch, but now it's all starting to make sense.
How about you drive?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm back. I am back.
Hey, we gonna collect on this week or what?
It probably won't. Is it within walking distance? Okay. Controller does
We
not
got
work.
a job to do, man.
Oh, I can go at the front door? Lame. Alright, back to the back door. And yes, haha, the back door. I was waiting for that, but come on. They turned my car around? That's not how I park.
Much I love fucking around right now, nigga, we gotta go.
Hey, wasn't that motherfucker
Yes, the
who
shitty
took
parking
bike that
place
SK
came.
Vagos dude?
They moved
With
your
the
car
tattoo
for
on
you.
his face and
You're
shit?
welcome.
Yeah, that was him.
Yeah, I park
Fuck,
crappily
homie.
anyway.
I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, alright?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. It's a reason Simeon... Shit! He pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.
Man, step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have to require surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on this bike.
20 G's?
With a 3G note?
Damn, that motherfucker must be tricked out, dawg.
Man, this whole setup designed to take drug money.
All right, man, look, we go in quiet. In and out, no fucking drama.
I'll try, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brass, crazy, greedy, shoot 'em up in the back type motherfucker. And you love me for it, niggas.
That's right, homie. Nothing but love.
So this morning it's not a horribly
That Simeon a
long
funny dude,
stream
though.
because
It's
I
gonna be
had
a
to
shame
take
when we get to
small
book
ones
his
to
ass and
hockey.
jack him for all this shit.
But when I come back, I will be
Talking about
streaming
you're
again.
psychotic, motherfucker.
What y'all? That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool,
So,
develop
if you
a
wanna
real
click that
uneasy
lovely
relationship,
follow,
and then they ask you to
um,
do something above and beyond.
or heart
you fall
button
out,
at the bottom of the
fools get capped,
screen
and then you start all
to see
over
when I
again with some
stream
other
and
fool.
what I
Where
stream
the
would
fuck
be
you get that
great.
from? That ain't my life, dummy.
How about the boy with the eye from around the way? Marcus or something? You was slanking for him, and then he got what was coming, right? The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
One
Should be as
of
the
the
story of
lockups.
your life, asshole.
Repeat after me. Think this crazy motherfucker
Up and
wants
over.
something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait from me! Example agents!
Oh, yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga. Be cool, nigga.
Wake up! You're in the road!
Man, why I gotta have a lazy ass homie like your motherfucking ass?
I'm lazy? I
Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
don't
Man, your
think
pussy
so.
the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your stupid ass?
This a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine?
Oh,
It's a
lucky
shady
cat.
ass alley.
Just gonna
Shit,
keep
we
walking
in
back.
Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. Got to be in one of these motherfuckers. Underlay, motherfucker. It got to be this other one. If that wasn't it... Ain't nowhere else it could be.
I'm gonna pick up that vest.
Man, we gonna bust this open or what?
Let's check this on, maybe.
Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
Oh, we saw you trying to creep up in here, man.
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
Vamos! Fucking down here. Come on down, everybody. Come on
Hey,
down.
nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat. Up. Just go. Good luck, homie. Find your bitch ass and cover. Fuck. Shit. On your left.
Okay. Oh, crap.
Motherfuckers on the scaffold is on me. Shoot up that cannon.
Apparently, I have no ability of aiming with this character.
Fucking asshole.
You. Oh my god.
Man, don't point that shit at me. I'm reloading. You got beef, nigga?
Oh, god damn! 2 tasks. 2.
What now?
I'm up to 2.
Up to 2?
Up
Did you
to
fail?
2. Yep. I failed shooting some
Fuck,
people.
they must have heard some shit. Find your bitch ass to cover. Shit, on your left. You fucking God damn. You'll get PC'd up in the pen, nigga.
Hey, step aside, motherfuckers.
Get my back. Motherfuckers got us closed in here. Get in behind that truck, homie. They got me pinned down. Shoot that gas can.
Gas can.
Oh, shit! Fuck, Holmes!
Oh. That gas can.
A few more of these motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Flipping bricks is easier work, dog.
Me. There's the fool on the balcony. Man, you got beat with an ugly stick. Oh, right. Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass. Some more of them niggas. Get that car, homie. And fuck this. Shoot the gas, homie. Nigga, what? What was your daddy drinking when he skeet you out? These marks don't even know what we here for.
You just blast they people. That might be why they irritated.
Ugly ass bitch. Hit the floor, homie.
We ain't got beef with you.
You still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came in for a bite.
And that motherfucker is right there. Hey, nigga, come here. We got your pink slip. May as well get this shit done.
Man, this is fucking crazy.
You know you the designated. Let's get him, homie. I want to get paid.
Paid ain't worth shit when you doing 25 with an L. We massacred those motherfuckers. Shit.
Motherfuckers getting away from us.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh, shit, Professor. You're right.
Found the horn again.
Meet me.
This punk get away, we going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that?
Fuck. We flying now.
Mr. 80s action movie body count motherfucker?
Don't play the blame game. Just get on this shit.
Yeah, this controller is...
Slipping,
Shit,
fool.
you hit me.
Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike you riding, stupid.
Pop that fool. We need him on his ass so we can get what we came for. Time to get that shit up, you no credit motherfucker. Shoot that motherfucker.
Crap.
That's the bike we came for. Get that bike back.
All right, dog.
Oh my god. People drive like a moron.
You letting this fool go. You was right on top of him.
I thought I ran him over. It didn't work so well.
We want your bike, bitch. Shoot him down.
You're an asshole, driver.
Fuck.
Time to get that shit up, you no credit motherfucker. Shoot that motherfucker. That's the bike we came for. Coordinated motherfucker.
Oh my god.
What's wrong with you? I'll drive next time.
No way.
I'm about to end up failing this again. So that'll be, what, 3? Three pass?
It be tree.
Are you watching?
No. I'm doing one of the tow truck missions, and the girl who makes you do it complains constantly if you don't have a car. So of course I'm making her run, and then she ran into a truck,
We want your bike,
like
bitch.
face first into a truck.
Now watch this shit.
But yes, I'm glancing over at your screen and giggling repeatedly.
Shoot him down. Time to get that shit up, you no credit motherfucker. We got it. Dog, we gotta lay low. Get the bike and meet me at the car wash on Innocence. All right, drive safe.
Get the bike to a car wash, because, yeah, I totally exploded his head all over the bike. But let's not do the radio thing right now. Actually, no, let's flip through. Wow. Bike has better controlling than my car. Woo! Like a lot better. So close. So close to getting like smoked.
Nice hood.
Huh? Oh.
Oh, you're on your motorcycle. Have you managed to crash it yet?
I literally just hit it against something. Otherwise.
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro.
Huh?
You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga,